Today I'm not doing anything specific, just trying to put everything back together and let the car stand on its own feet. As I was finishing up the rear suspension, I found the OEM camber bolts are still on the car. So back in 2016, after I picked up the car, I sent it to a mechanic shop for some prep work, and I asked them to install the eccentric lockout kit for me. Apparently they didn't. I had to buy another set of lockout bolts. So I guess if you really want to do things right, you have to do it yourself. I'm also replacing the worn out OEM stabilizer links with the ARC semi-rigid links. These guys look nice. And then give the wheels a wash. Who doesn't like washing your JDM wheels in a warm summer night like this? It's just so relaxing. And I found this at the bottom of my to be installed box. Let's install it. So quick tip, if you have little holes like this exposed, use one of these Amazon grommet to plug it like this so the water don't get in like that. Oh, by the way, if you guys are looking for new mirrors, check out this website or this brand, Dangun Racing. After Ganador stopped production, I think this brand took over the patent and design. And it seems like they have the patent registration, serial numbers, everything on the product. As you can see, it looks exactly like the Ganador mirrors for S15. And they do come in different styles, like these ones. You can check it out on their website. And the total cost after shipping is around $300 on eBay, or you can ask your JDM parts suppliers. It's quite a bargain comparing with the knockoffs now selling for like almost $500. Yeah, check it out. And finally, it's time to put the wheels back on with my new nuts. They look so pretty. And it's at this moment I realized it's gonna double the time to take off the wheels with these nuts. But still, they do look nice. And the new under panel. Now body kit is on. Let's lower the car. Now I can move the car out and start cleaning the garage a little bit, keep it tidy. But before that, I just want to have a moment of appreciation. And I got a one-off Vertex Edge bumper designed by the greatest 9-year-old artist, my daughter. And for people who are wondering how it looks with the S14 exhaust, here it is. The garage hasn't been this empty for a while. It still needs a power wash, but I'm happy. The car is finally back together after 3 years. Now I just need to wait for the coilover to settle so I can do the alignment. And just to make them settle a bit faster, let's go for a ride. Since I don't have a drone or any friend, you guys just have to sit right next to me. There are a lot to dislike about the city, like the condition of the road, especially the highways. And I set up the coilovers for low speed circuit and it still seems a little bit too stiff. But there are more to love about the city, and this is a place that I call home. For the people who hasn't been to Toronto, here are some stock footage I found online to show you the part of the city I'm driving through now. And it's clear that I need to cut my rear fenders.
Oh my god, it's robbing like hell. Here's the thing, you can never do road racing in Toronto because it's a shitty road. Nice to be here, Zed. Oh my god, everything's rubbing.
And on that note, it's time to go home. But before that, I just have to do this.
Turn around, windows down.
I'm just thrilled that the car is running perfectly other than alignment, and I have so much more that I planned for it this year. But that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.
Tell me what you're thinking about me when